Genesis chapter 1, verse 4. God stared at the sun and saw that it was beautiful. He made the sun set, and all was dark. Welcome back to Mr. News Art Class. It's wonderful to see your smiling faces today. This Inktober, I'm illustrating the book of Genesis. My illustration for verse 4 shows God enjoying a beautiful sunset. And here's where I totally jacked everything up. I was trying to increase the contrast on the lettering, and I ended up bungling it. I covered over it pretty well, but then I forgot to let it dry, so when I went back to rewrite the words, it just blotted really badly. I'm so used to using micron pens that don't require so much dry time. This is the first time in a long time that I have done a major big project with bottled ink. Anyway, good news. It all worked out in the end. And that's my rendition of God saw the light, that it was good. Let me know what you think down in the comments below. Give the video a thumbs up or down to let me know if you like it or not. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for notifications. And have a blessed day.